Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to do effective way to do burst photo. So I just wondering how do you do a burst photo. Are you still doing the burst photo by tapping the this button multiple times like this? I think it's not gonna like effective way, and it takes too long and too long time and take your energy. So let me show you the easiest way. Go back into your home screen and upload the settings part, and right after that scrolling down until you find the camera section. Whenever you find the camera, go click them, and right after that you need to focus on the first sections or first boxes, and there will be a section or line called use volume up for burst. So you just need to activate them, and whenever you activate them, now you can take a burst photo easily. Open your camera again and just tap the volume up button, this part, and you already get a lot of photos, just only one button. So that is the way how to do a burst photo only with one tap on one button. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.